said this is a size 26 hook. This is a aquarium worthy fish. Alright guys, so welcome back for another YouTube video. So today we gotta test out these hooks that I got right here. They're size 26 hooks. They are super small and usually catch like little small minnows, like the steelfish. So we're gonna put them to test in this lake over here, and we're gonna see what we catch. Guys, so you wanna get this set up. Okay, so right here, we're using a small little piece of night crawler. Super small, I don't know if you can even tell. It's super tiny, a little small piece of night crawler. Super tiny. Super tiny. Alright guys, so we're gonna get the bait right here. And we're gonna cast right into the water right here. So far I don't see any like small fish, but just start coming here so you see how right underneath the dock. Here's the right there, and it just start coming. Guys, so we just moved location to this little small canal, and pretty much we're just gonna keep doing the same thing that we're doing over there at the other spot, and we're just gonna be using the small little the small little hook and the small little piece of worm with a little weight. So we're just gonna cast it right here and see what we catch. Alright, drop it right here. Let's see, drop it right there. I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. Might be hiding in the rock. Oh yeah, there you go, right there. There you go, just hiding in the rock. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move back, and we're just gonna leave it here, and we're gonna stay back so the fish will see us. I'm just gonna wait right here. Right now over here, and the other side of the little canal, there's a smaller piece of bait on. Probably see if we get the spinner to get the real small sunfish from the tip of the sea. We're just gonna press away to see when we get to it. Guys, so we just moved spots to this canal right here. Some fishing, some more normal fishing with a size 6 hook and a little night crawler with a bobber on top. The person's gonna drop it right here, right by the Alright, so I'm with the steps right here on this ant pile. You gotta be careful down here for real, because if you step on these, they'll give you a bad time and it burns when they sting you. These are called fire ants, as the name suggested. And if you have like an allergic reaction to like certain sounds, it could really mess you up. So you gotta be careful down here. They're like little landmines down here in South Florida. Alright guys, so after us trying to fish, we didn't manage to catch anything. So right now I'm gonna try to do some netting and try to catch some small little exotic fishes in this lake right here. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So let's try to get our first swipe right in.
Got.
We got a snail first try.
You see? Yeah.
Got a little snail. So we're just gonna walk along this and we're just gonna try.
Alright, let's see what's next.
Oh yep, got something.
What you got?
Got a little mine cichlid.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that baby little mine cichlid.
Let me see.
Oh, it's flapping.
Nice. It's flapping all over the place. Look at that.
Super pretty.
Look at that.
This is a aquarium-worthy fish right here.
Nice.
Super pretty. I'm gonna drop this guy right back.
This is fishing, man. If we can't catch it with a hook, we're gonna catch it with a what?
A net.
If we can't catch it with a hook, we're gonna catch it with a what?
Net.
Let's see. Let's see what else we get.
Sorry.
Moving down. That's why we never give up.
Alright, nothing there.
Okay. Think there's any alligators in there?
Could be. Could come out from that thing out right over there.
Always got to be careful when you're in South Florida waters. Alligators and what?
Snakes.
What kind of snakes?
Water moccasins.
Water moccasins.
Coral snakes. Pythons.
Pythons is just because
They're invasive, like many species down here. Like a mine cichlid I just caught.
anything?
Nope. They're like over there. Really soft fish. Here, go.
What do you see? Anything?
Nope. Yep, got one.
What you got?
Right, this time we got a snail and a mosquito fish.
Mosquito fish.
So we got a native.
Let me see. That's a mosquito fish?
Yep, it's a male.
Male.
Yeah, because the males don't have the dot. The males still have the dot, and the males are usually more colorful. But this is a mosquito fish, like other species of the family of this fish. Let's go drop him right back, right there. Just good dump that right there.
There's a lot of stuff over here in this little corn spot.
Yeah, just a little hole. Just like in the last video, I have found a little hole.
Right there. Seems like it has to be where the grass is.
Yeah, looks like you gotta wait till they come back. There you go, got one.
What you got?
It looks like it's a non-mosquito. Oh, we got two.
Two mosquito fish?
Yeah, two little mosquito fish. Pretty common down here in Florida, actually. Looks like they're both males. Going right here. And then we got, let's see, and then one right here. Guys, we got two little mosquito fish. Two little tiny ones. Alright guys, so we're gonna do one last scoop before we go. So let me see. Let's see what we get.
Nice digging. They went deep.
Yeah. All right. So let's like. Yep. Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah. Nothing. Alright, guys. So pretty much today we start off with fishing, micro fishing with some size 26 hooks, and we try to catch like a whole bunch of little small like cichlids and bluegills. But it ended up working out. So then we moved to another spot, same thing, but it didn't work out there either. So then we moved to one other spot where we tried to fish with some size 6 hooks with some live night crawlers to see what we can get. Which that also didn't work. So then we were about to leave, but I was like, maybe we should try some netting in some little weed areas like right here and see what we can get. So I'm doing that. I find this little hole where I see there's a lot of fish swimming in it. So I get in there, and as you saw, I caught a mine cichlid, and then we caught those mosquito fish.
That was a tiny one, right?
Yeah, those were some tiny ones. And then we caught some mosquito fish, and then we caught all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah.